Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this ponytail piece that I got off Amazon. I believe it was 22 inches and cost about $70. I am going to be showing you how to do like a heatless ponytail install. I understand that not everybody's hair texture will be able to lay down this way, but if you have like that anywhere from like a 4A to 3C and below, you should be able to achieve this heatless ponytail by following these steps. Keep in mind, this hair provider does have kinky curly options as well, so if you're interested to check those out, I'll have all that linked down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I like to start my heatless, like slick down ponytail or bun the night before, just because it molds better overnight. If not, just do this like an hour or two before you have to leave somewhere. But start on washed and damped hair. So I just towel dried it. I'm going to start by putting just a little bit of leave-in conditioner in, just because you don't want your hair to be dry or nothing. So I have currently no products in my hair, so that's why I'm just going to put some leave-in to add some moisture and prevent any breakage. I like to use a combination of two gels. The first gel is Eco Styler, and really any of them can work. I just like to use this as the initial product to mold down the hair, and then I'm gonna go in with some more heavy duty gel. I'm gonna take my bristle brush and start to brush in that Eco Styler gel, making sure that it's evenly distributed. Then I'm going to secure my ponytail with a rubber band. Before I apply the second layer of gel, I'm just going to pull out some of my baby hairs so I don't slick them all back. Now this is my favorite gel, Gorilla Snot. I use it on myself and my daughter's hair, and it really is great if you want like a really good hold. Like Eco Styler gel is not like a super great hold. It's more like a temporary, you know, a real flexible hold. But this Gorilla Snot will keep your edges in place, your styles in place, and everything. So I really love that. I just put the Gorilla Snot on my hair and on the top of my hair where it's slicked down, and then I just put a little bit more of leave-in to wrap my bun around my head, and just make it, you know, really small because you don't want it real bulky on your ponytail. Lastly, to make sure this slick back ponytail is not going nowhere, I just sealed it off with some Got2b spray to really lay down any flyaways that might come up and just make sure it's super sleek for the morning. I tied my hair up with scarves and a bonnet, and now I'm going to bed. Good morning guys, it is the next day. My scarf for some reason always ends up falling off, but it still gave like a smooth finish because I do sleep with a satin pillowcase, so even when my scarf comes off, it still like isn't the end of the world. As you can see, it's just a little bit of flyaways that I want to tame, so I'm just gonna take some edge control. Right now this is the edge control I've been using, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on. This is the Lock Booster. I use this as a styling for a style that I did, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna rub it in my hands and kind of like tame down any flyaways so we have a super sleek pony. I'm just gonna lightly brush anything down because we don't want no flakes or nothing. All right, now that we got everything tamed, I'm just gonna brush back out my edges so I can do them later. Here is the ponytail. It does have like a slight smell to it, but it's not like terrible. It is matching pretty well with my hair color, which I'm happy, because sometimes like a natural color could be too light for me. So this is the texture. It's definitely giving wavy, natural wave, which is really pretty. Like I said, it has 2 combs, one on top, one on the bottom, and it has this drawstring that you can use to tighten it up once you put it on your bun. I'm gonna start by inserting the 2 combs, the one on top and the one in the back, and then I'm gonna take the drawstring and pull it tight until it's secure around my bun. And then I just like to wrap the drawstring around and kind of conceal it. Lastly, I like to take a piece of hair from the back and wrap it around the top to hide any tracks or anything, and I just secure this with the bobby pin. This ponytail is so pretty. I love it. So now that I got the ponytail on how I like, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm just gonna use this styling lock booster to do my edges. Edges are done. Just did like some little effortless baby hairs, and yeah, this is super cute. Feels so pretty with my ponytail. So ending thoughts about this ponytail, like, first of all, the texture of this is absolutely stunning. Like, I love it. It matches my real hair very well. If you're just tired of putting heat on your hair, or like just want to switch it up, this is really cute. And like, you could also like style this up in a bun like this if you would like, and that would also be super cute. But for right now, I think I want to stick with the pony. And yeah, this was like super easy, super beginner friendly install. Like, I love it. I would recommend, they have 2 options. They have one with a drawstring, which is the one that I got, and they also have just one with a pony extra piece of hair that you wrap around. I recommend getting the drawstring because you can use the drawstring and wrap extra hair around. So definitely get that one. I feel like it's definitely secure and like not going nowhere. So that's a plus. And yeah, I'm just really in love with this ponytail. And it's human hair, because you can get synthetic ones, but this one is human hair. It's gonna last you. You can just keep washing it and reusing it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.